Hi, it's Tony. You're in Pop-Pop's Workshop, and we have new workstation surfaces. This whole area was at least 3 folding tables. You can still see a couple of them in here with my stuff. I haven't transferred it over yet. But we have Nana's stained glass area and a scroll saw area. She has about 8 feet of table here she'll be able to use. I'm going to have at least 7 feet, so it's much better. The old tables couldn't go all the way back. There's a little curb, concrete curb in there. Lots of problems. And thank you, Mike, for the power strip. Now I've got a nice long power strip, 12 places to plug in for all my things, the laptop, computer, the other laptop, the laser, the CNC, so many things to plug in. Now I got a place to do it. So why don't you follow along, watch how we put all this together, and then we'll come back and hopefully we'll have this other stuff put in place and we can kind of see it completed. Okay, the first half you've seen built, and it is in, and the legs are in, and that will join our next half going this way. Won't quite be half, it'll be about 7 feet to encompass the laser area and the CNC. They're going to get flipped. CNC there, laser there. On to the next. Okay, all done. Got the laser in place, the CNC. We've got a scroll saw station, stained glass station. We have 15 feet of usable workstation. We got a place for our bag for the classes we do at Woodcraft. I change out what's in there depending on what class we're doing, and I've never had a really good place to have it, so I'm always looking for it. It lives there now. I've got storage underneath. I've got a bunch of seasonal things like heaters and stuff that I can put under here during the off season, and I can even roll up my chair, work on my laptop for my laser, work on my laptop for my CNC, and it's the right height. So great investment of time and materials in my estimation. Let me know what you think in the comments. Did I waste my time, or would you do the same thing in your shop? So thank you for watching. Remember to like, subscribe, all the stuff that YouTubers ask you to do. Please, pretty please, can you do that? Or not. We just appreciate the fact that you took your time to watch the video. We're very thankful for that. Thank you very much. Shout out to all the people that have been helping with this. Mike, thanks for the power strip. That's come in clutch. And everybody else that's contributed to our ability to have some of these nice things in the shop. They're not big things, but they fit for what we do in our shop. So we're very appreciative of that as well. So look for more, hopefully more CNC and laser content coming up, because I've got a more easily accessible area to do those things in. And as always, remember, you can do this.